Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Pegasus spyware. It is a malicious software that is installed that can be installed in our phone to hack all the information of the messages, pictures of our phone without our consent. The attacker can install this this software in our phone without us being knowing it. That means we do not have to literally go for installation of such kind of software. It get installed by a missed call, by a message also, and it is very difficult to track such kind of software in our phone. So nowadays I am sure you all must have heard about Pegasus spyware on television on and off, like because it's spread all over the world. Now when we talk about this Pegasus spyware, we need to understand that even it can hack our cameras of our phone and also the microphone. So whenever, say, if we have this Pegasus software in our mobile, then wherever we keep the phone in any vicinity, it can track on the entire detail of the entire periphery of my phone. That means whatever conversation is going on, then whatever pictures or whatever scene there is around my phone, everything will be hacked. So it is very harmful, very dangerous as well. Now when I talk about Pegasus spyware, we need to go back to 2016, from where it has been rooted. So in 2016 there was a human right activist, Ahmed Mansoor. While he was there in UAE, so once he received a text message on his phone showing the detail of a tortured prisoner in the country. He found it very shady. So later on he has sent that particular message of that tortured prisoner message to the Citizen Lab for investigation. So later on Citizen Lab investigated and found out that this link has been a part of the infrastructure of NSO Group. Now NSO Group is a Israeli security cyber organization. Now NSO has last in 2018, NSO has released that there are 45 countries of our world that has actually taken the license of Pegasus spyware, and India is also one of them. Now why do we are getting this news on and off? Because India also claimed that our government, it is also seen that our government has hacked this Pegasus spyware in some of the phone of the dignitaries like some politicians, some opposition party politicians, then some ruling politicians phone, then some lawyers, then obviously almost 40 senior journalists phone, then some of the businessmen's phone, some of the bureaucrats phone. So this Pegasus spyware has been hacked, has been installed in that phone, so that the data of those phone can be extracted without the knowledge of the owner of the phone. Basically, when this Pegasus spyware was made, it was intended to attack the iOS user, because they believe that iOS is a very strong protection they have in the phone. So initially they wanted to break that firewall and they wanted to install it in iOS. But as we know that Apple always come up with updates every year, so in April 2020 they have also updated again, and that update has been made to secure that all the patches or the loopholes are to be sealed. So that means no one can update, no one can hack or install any software in the phone without the consent of the owner of the phone. But still Android phones are still vulnerable for this kind of attacks. Now after this, why are we listening about this Pegasus in our country nowadays? Because yes, as I said, that it has been also found out that many of the politicians' phone has been hacked. Not only politicians, some lawyers and as bureaucrats also. Even NSO has also released that they actually have started hacking some of the Indian phone numbers, and they decided to disclose the data only to the vetted government. Vetted government means the government that does background check. Okay, so they will be giving the data to the entire organization which does the background check. Now how far this Pegasus news is true or not true, we are not aware of. Okay, but we need to come ahead with some of the protections that we need to do and save our phone and the details, because nowadays we always use smartphone in every sector of our life. Maybe it can be in office use or at homely or any private use, we use our smartphone. So how do we need to protect our phone, our smartphone from such kind of malicious software? First, we need to keep on updating our phone. The more we update our phone, whenever we get updates in our phone, what do? We postpone it, or we do it for later. So please make it sure that we always keep our phone updated to ensure that whatever available softwares, unknown softwares are there in our phone can be actually traced, and we can fix it. So update means whenever we update our phone, the unknown software will be traced. If we can't trace such kind of software, then we will not be able to understand how many data, what are the information are getting leaked or hacked from our phone. So first thing is we need to update our phone always. Next, we need to stop using third party applications. There are some applications which are not authentic, like some of the games are also there which are not very authentic. Some video making software, some collage softwares are there which are very third party software. So please make sure that we don't install such kind of software in our phone. Third and the foremost thing, that we need to stop using applications like for social media, so for checking mails. What we can do, we can go to the web browser and we can check. Say if I have to check Facebook or Insta or any other Snapchat, what do we need to do? We have already installed the application in our phone, right? So what we can do, we need to avoid that. What we can do, we have to check it from the web browser. So in that case, we are not installing in our phone some background or some different kind of cookies or some different kind of applications which we are not aware of. So these are the three things that we need to do, keep our phone safe from and protected from any kind of malicious spyware, and also from Pegasus spyware. Always we need to remember, this Pegasus spyware is a zero click spyware. That means we literally don't have to install it. It gets installed by any sort of missed call or by any sort of messages that come, that we keep on getting so many spam messages in our phone, right? So please make sure that we keep our phone updated and we keep on proper check on all the details and data in our phone. Thank you for watching. Be safe and be updated.